Hi there, this is Mylock, and welcome to the 90th episode of Minilock Monday. So this week I have a couple of Master Lock 130s, both keyed alike. So let's give them a pick. There we go, a little 30mm Master Lock with kind of decent bitting, shark bite bitting. They work nicely. Little 4-pinners, and I think they have spools. So bottom of the keyway, does that leave us enough room to get the pick in? Certainly does. So one is springy. So we got a click from 4, coming forwards. One is binding, and we get the open. And there we go. So a little bit of movement in the core there. Can we see? A little bit of wobbliness. So pin 1 is binding. So we click that, we get a small amount of rotation. Try and I've got a click there, so I went under 2. I think I may have, nope, not quite, set 4. So there we go, we got in. Didn't really get much of a false set. Is that because none of them of the spools are active? Let's try starting at the back. So click from 4, coming forwards. Click from 2, 1, and we're open. So no, we are avoiding the spools. I'm pretty sure they do have spools in them. I'm pretty sure they do. Start at the back, work it forwards, pin 1. Oh, get on to pin 1. Oh well. No false set this time. Let's try and pin 1. No, the spools are shy. But yeah, there we go. So a pair of Master Lock 130s, keyed alike, and now I'm doubting if there's spools in them or not. I'm pretty sure there are. I'm pretty sure there are. But there we go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.